Hello, I have been super excited, basically pacing the floor even with 2 days shipping to receive this package. This is the BEARWATCH Wildlife Deterrent System. As you see, very compact. It's lightweight at 3.1 pounds. That's lightweight to me for what it does. So this here, what it does is delivers a electrical charge at 0.5 joules. This is a portable electrical fence that you can put around the perimeter of a campsite. 0.5 joules is 10 times more power and more punch than a lot of other portable electric fences. So this portable electric fence here delivers a punch, and the harder you hit a bear with an electrical charge like this, the more deterrent it's going to be. Now the reason I wanted one of these is because I camp in the wild a lot, as many of you know. And where I camp, there's a lot of bear, there's a lot of coyote and moose. This will deter all of them. So it's just a safer way to camp. I also wanted this because in certain areas where my students will be staying 24 hours overnight, I can set this up around their camp to ensure safety. More I can do to keep them safe, since they're my responsibility, I'm going to do that. And it's just something that many people may like and may want. So I think it can keep people safer out there. And I'm going to break into this bag. It's a unboxing. I have not opened this up yet, but in this case, it's an unbagging. We'll see what's in here, but I see me using this, like I said, in many of my wild campouts, and also in some of my training as well. First off, that is the user manual. And this is a waterproof manual, but you see there's pictures, diagrams, and also well written. So then another video, the next video on the BEARWATCH, I will show a how-to setup of this system. First off, this is the energizer unit. Now, what I love about this is I can unscrew the back here, and this can run on 8 AA batteries for 43 hours. Like, that was a huge seller for me. I can also buy a adapter that I can plug into a power bank and run this as well. But you can also hook this to a 12-volt power source like an ATV, motorcycle, a vehicle, and so on to power this as well. So you have many, many options to power this. That was huge seller for me. Oops. There you go right there. That's where the AA's go. And right there is where your other power sources would plug into. So, very cool. That actually comes out like this. You can put 4 in there and 4 in here. Very sweet. This here is electrical poly wire. And this gives you enough wire and enough setup material in this kit to do 6 meters squared, or 19.5 feet. So if you have one tent or 2 small backpacking tents, you can surround them with this perimeter. It gives you that much. Now you can also buy extra that you can make a larger perimeter if you like. This here is your grounding spike right there, and this is your aluminum lightweight poles. There's 4 of them here, come in 3 sections. They just fold, and I see there's a shot cord in between them, so they'll just snap into place. So you have 4 of those, plus your grounding rod as well. This here is very important. Warning, electric fence signs. There's 4 of them in here, 1 for each side. So that can come in very handy for sure. These here are specially designed connectors for the poly line, and also slides onto the poles. So gave you multiple of those as well. So here's your connecting wires, some with alligator clips, also some clips here for your 12-volt option of a battery from a car or a any type of vehicle, plus your ATV and so on. So this is just your connecting cables. And lastly is a free voltage tester that is normally worth $25. This way you can actually test it without touching it. So to go over that again, your voltage tester, connecting cables, your clips, electrical poly wire, warning signs, energizer. This here is your ground rod, and your 4 poles for setup, as well as the user manual. So this bag also is water resistant. And it's just a very simple but awesome setup. I can't wait to share that video and how to set this up with you all. So stay tuned for that. But that is the BEARWATCH wildlife deterrent system. I'll leave a link where you can check this out. It's a Canadian company in Vancouver, British Columbia. And as many of you know, I've had a bear experience out there, and this would have been pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.